Are you wondering how to convert your video files from one format to the other? Then, you are at the right spot. I'll be showing you how to convert your MOV videos to MP4 on your Mac device, making it a whole lot easier. You may need to change your MOV video format so that it can be compatible with your other devices, or you simply want to reduce the file size. Whatever your reason is, you need a video converter. Here I will show you the 2 best Mac converters in this video. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button, and I've put the links to everything I mention in the description box. Let's check out how we can easily convert MOV to MP4 on a Mac. The first way to convert your MOV video file to MP4 is through the VLC media player. Now I'm gonna open the VLC media player on my Mac. If you haven't downloaded it, you can go to the website to download it on your macOS. I have put this link in the description. You can check there. Okay, now I am here. As you can see, we usually drop videos here to play. But now we'll use it to convert MOV videos. Now we need to upload the MOV file into VLC. On the top left corner of the screen, here is a file option. From here you can find the MOV videos you have downloaded on your Mac. Now let's click it. Then I'm going to scroll down to find the Convert Stream option. As its name indicates, you can convert your videos from here. Now let's click it, or you can press Command and S at the same time to open the file. Now a Convert and Stream dialog box is opened. From here, you can begin to convert your MOV files. First, you'll need to upload the MOV files here. You can start from the Open Media tab to choose the MOV video on your Mac. Now I'm going to click Open Media. Here are my MOV video in my MOV folder. You can choose your MOV video by clicking it. Now, let's click this MOV video. I'm gonna convert it to MP4. Now you can see this MOV video has been added here. Or there is another way you can add MOV files here. Just simply drag your MOV file and drop it here. You can choose the proper way. Okay, now we already have the MOV video. We want to convert it to MP4. We're gonna set profile. As you can see, here in this box, this is the format you can choose. You can convert your MOV video to MP4, MP3, or others. If you think this is a little confused, you can also open the Customize tab. You can see there are several media types you can convert. Since we want to convert MOV to MP4, I'm going to choose MP4 and click Apply. Now we have set the MP4 format we want. We should also choose where we want to save this MP4 video. Here is a destination option. We want to save our MP4 video. Click Save as File. It will ask you to browse where you want to save your MP4 file. Here you can see your MOV file will be converted to M4V. It's the same as MP4. But you still need to click on the Browse button, because it hasn't told you where you should save your MP4 file. Let's click Browse. Now it shows you all the locations on your Mac. You can choose where you want your converted MP4 file to be saved. I'm going to save it on the desktop. You can save it anywhere you want. After you choose the location on your Mac, you'll be back to this page. Now everything seems to be fine. I have set the MP4 format. I have chosen the location. Now it's tap on the Save button. The conversion begins and my MOV video would change to an MP4 file within minutes. Once the conversion is complete, I can now view the MP4 file in my destination folder. If you want to convert the bulk of MOV files to MP4 format on your Mac with a quick speed, you can convert by using AppGeeker's Video Converter. Video Converter is a simpler tool that you can use to convert any video to all the popular formats you want them in. It offers all the formats that support most devices such as your Mac, iPhone, Xbox, and TVs. And not to worry, it is available for download on Mac or Windows as well. Without wasting time, I'll be showing you how to navigate the video converter on Mac. You can download it from this link. You can find this link in the description too. Now open the AppGeeker's Video Converter on your Mac. As you can see, it is very straightforward as the steps needed to convert your video are shown. You can see 4 simple tips here. Tip 1, you can click Add File icon to import what you want to convert. Tip 2, this is the tip telling you where you can edit your MOV or other videos. Tip 3 is about how to save your converted file. The last one is the last step you need to do, convert the video. Okay. Now, let's begin to complete these steps one by one. First, I'll be moving my cursor to the top left corner to find the Add File button. By the way, there is a drop-down menu close to Add File. Let's click it. Obviously, this button lets you have more choices. You can choose one MOV file to convert, select it and click on Open to add the video to the dashboard. Or if you want to import more on one, you can press Command and choose several MOV files to add them in. And if you have the bulk of MOV files you want to convert to MP4, and you have put them in a folder, you can select Add Folder. It'll be more convenient. But if you have put your MOV file or folder on your desktop as me, you can simply drag what you want to convert and drop here. Now you can see all the MOV files and folders I added here just now. I'll just convert one MOV video to MP4, so let me delete others. Once the MOV video is added, I'm gonna click on the play button under Preview on the right-hand side of the screen, just to confirm that I have the right video to convert. Now let's try tip 2, if you want to edit your MOV file, so you can convert the MP4 video as you want. You can edit it from the top column. Here you can select Enhance the quality of your video. You can also trim the clip of the video. Here you can choose the time you want to convert to MP4. And there are other editing capabilities that can be used in Edit. You can choose what you want here. I wouldn't be doing that though. Just go through this tip. Now we need to set the output format to MP4 as said in tip 3. So I'm gonna click on Profile. Let's click on the arrow down button to scan through the available devices for videos. There are numerous presets you can choose from, for your Apple devices, TVs, and many other mobile phones, Windows. Here I think that streaming video is worth mentioning. From here, you can choose the MP4 or other formats you want to upload on YouTube, Facebook, or other social platforms. This is one I usually use. Video Converter gives you different devices preset to pick from. As different devices have various formats, you don't need to set all the things one by one. Just choose what you need here. It's really friendly for beginners, right? For instance, if you want to convert a MOV video to MP4 on your iPad and you want it to be compatible with your iPad player, all you have to do is to move your cursor to choose the corresponding format. In most cases, the first two iPad H.264 720p and H.264 are compatible to all your iPad. You can choose any of them you want. You can choose any video quality as you need. The process is the same for any device you choose under Profile. If you don't want to find the presets one by one, there is a General Video option. You can find all the popular formats you want. Let's click on General Video, and now you can see the formats we most often use in the right bar: MP4, MKV, MOV, M4V, AVI and other formats. Since we need to convert to MP4 format, I'm gonna click on the option which is H.264, HEVC MP4 video format, *MP4. This gives me an HEVC MP4 video format at a high compression rate. You'll notice that the name of the profile has changed to the format I want, MP4 format. If you're an advanced user, you can click on Settings to adjust video settings such as encoder, resolution, video bitrate, and others. You can also adjust the audio settings as well. After you adjust, you can also restore it as defaults. I won't be doing that, so I'll just click on OK. You can click on Apply to All if you want to apply the current profile setting to all other items. The converted MP4 video must have where it would be saved since it can't hang in the air. I'm gonna click on Browse to select the video destination folder. When you click the Browse, it'll show you the iCloud drive or other local space on your Mac. I'll select Desktop. It's always a very convenient place, but if you need to convert a bulk of videos, you'd better make sure there is enough room on your Mac. Now click Desktop. You can see all the folders on my desktop are here. Choose one you want to save the MP4 files. I'm going to select MP4 converted folder and click on Select Folder. You can decide to merge the video into one file by checking the box close to Merge into one file. I don't want that, so I'm gonna leave the box unchecked. Lastly, I'm gonna play the preview to ensure that all edits to the video are in the right order. And I'll smash that Convert button. The conversion process takes a few seconds depending on the length of your video. The state of the video file shows completed and you can view it in the destination folder. Converting a MOV file to MP4 on your Mac is super easy with AppGeeker's video converter. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I hope you found it useful. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more information. I'll see you next time.